Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the second video of our HTML for Designers series. So, in this video, we are going to write our first HTML code, and for the code writing, you would require one ID. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code uh, because it's one of the most popular and widely used ID for all the coders. If you want to know how to download VS Code, you can directly go to Google Chrome and write VS Code for whatever Windows or Mac you are using. You will be getting one link and you can download it from there. If you want even more detail, there are tutorials available on YouTube. You can follow with them. Okay. As of now, I'm expecting that we already have downloaded VS Code and we have installed it. So we would require a few extensions for our code, and those extensions you can find it over here. So what we will need, first thing, what we gonna need is a live server. Okay, just type live server. This is the extension. It's already installed in my case. In your case, you will be getting an option to install it. So just click and install it from here. Another one is Prettier. Okay, got it. This is also, you will be getting one option to install it, and from here only you can install it. That's it. For as of now, you won't be requiring any more extensions. So you can directly come here and create one new file. Okay, so the type of file that we are going to create is HTML, that is .html extension. Okay, so let's say we are creating this new .html. Got it? This is a new file. So here you can see that we have created this new .html file. Okay, nice. Now, how do we write HTML code over here? As it has a .html extension, the browser would know that this is an HTML file and how to run it. Okay, I'm not going how HTML files are being hosted on server. That I'll explain later. Okay, so here our first code is the boilerplate code. So to write the boilerplate code, what you need to do is press exclamation sign and then hit enter. So this is your first code of HTML. Okay, I'll explain everything. As of now, what we're gonna do is we have all those stuff and we can go directly live from here. Okay, so when we go live, it would trigger a local server. How do you know that it's a local server? You can see that the IP address is written over here. In my case, it's this. Okay, it's new.html. Okay, this is the IP address slash new.html. That is the file. Okay, and how do I know? It's nothing is written over here. Let's say in our case, we write hello world. Mostly, this is the first thing that we write in programming. Okay, hello world. Okay, just save it, and the live server, you can see, wow, hello world is written. Okay, so this is our first HTML program, and in the next video I'm going to explain these basic things, what are these tags, and we'll go a bit in depth about what are the functionalities of all these tags. Okay,